block screening na ito dahil ito pong pelikula na to ay para po talaga sa inyo. Sa inyo po lahat, pero especially po sa ating deaf community.
Magandang hapon po, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Maine Mendoza!
Hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyo. Magandang hapon. Napanood nyo na ba yung movie? Nagustuhan nyo?
Yes!
Ay, salamat. Para sa inyo yan. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you po muna ako sa lahat ng ating kapatid na deaf na nandito po ngayon. Maraming salamat kasi binigyan niyo po kami ng panahon ngayon para mapanood yung pelikula. Yung block screening na ito dahil ito pong pelikula na to ay para po talaga sa inyo. Sa inyo po lahat, pero especially po sa ating deaf community na talaga namang kasama rin natin ngayon. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And sa mga nag-organize po, thank you very much po. Ay, ikaw nag-organize? Thank you sa inyo, thank you sa effort, thank you sa time, thank you sa pagmamahal at suporta sa amin, sa pelikula, sa amin ni Carlo. And ayun, ang hiling lang naman po namin ay sana magustuhan niyo po yung pelikula. Ayun lang.
Yay!
Ay, may performance sila. Ay, ngayon palang mag-thank you na ako. Sige, ready na ako. Pwede ba sa CR? Sure.
Ay, kain tayo pagkatapos na ito para hindi na kami kakain sa bahay.
Hindi yan sa'yo.
Thank you very much, po. Next.
Hi, my name is Ryan and my family name is Fridays and this is my signing. So, this is your signing, as we all know it. I would like to tell you our feelings, our deepest gratitude for the support for the deaf community, for all the deaf and the hearing. They don't work apart. They don't just ignore each other. Regardless, they still work together in a community and communication. Thank you for supporting the deaf here in the Philippines. Thank you. And then our last performer, the message will be from Cecil Leonor. She is deaf, but then she could talk. So this is just a living proof that not all deaf are mute. The reason why they don't like to be called mute. Oh, so she could talk, so she will give the message right.
Hello, Atin me, Mani, thank you for support and mainly for mommy. happy. We are happy. That company and hope people know about them. So now we are people know about them company. And thank you for supporting them company. Thank you for Ade, Mari, and Kuya, Carlo, Ram, Shin, for mommy. Salamat po.
Madilim dadaanan nila dyan. Picture ka na eh. Yung camera. Oh, yung pinakamaganda.
Hi, Maine!
Yung pinaka first prize natin,
GC.
33.
Channel mo. Yee.
Ay, good afternoon po. So, ganito po, para hindi tayo magka-problema, aayusin po natin si...
Kasi kaya po sa akin, hindi ko kailangan